There's a possibility for some severe weather as we move into tomorrow, and you're seeing that system now over Iowa and Minnesota, now beginning to develop and moving eastward, eventually going to affect us here in east central Illinois. But that rain's actually going to start tonight, with rainfall beginning to fall tonight across the area, scattered rain showers and even possible thunderstorms, but for the most part, scattered rain showers, along with a drop in temperature with a low of 46 degrees, a little bit warmer than what we saw last night right at that freezing point, and that's partly due to the winds blowing out of the southeast at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Now those winds are going to continue to pick up as we move into tomorrow, but as for the timing of this severe weather, we're going to be seeing some of the rain begin to fall overnight tonight, mostly just scattered showers like I said, but as we move into tomorrow morning, we're actually going to see a pocket of no rain, mostly cloudy skies to start your day tomorrow, but as we move into the afternoon, scattered showers will return to our forecast, and then more rain will begin to move through the area. That heavier rainfall and the chance for severe weather in the evening hours. You're seeing heavier rainfall in Shelby and Moultrie counties as we move into the 9 p.m. hour, and as we move even later, we're going to be seeing heavier rainfall in Effingham counties and Edgar counties as we move into that late evening hours. Rain will continue to fall as we move overnight, Wednesday evening into Thursday morning, eventually clearing up by the time of Thursday morning's commute. Now, as for the totals of this rainfall, we're expecting around half an inch here in Charleston and in Paris. You'll notice down south we're seeing less rain accumulation, around 0.2 of an inch down in Robinson and just a trace up in Champaign. Now, because of the severe weather threat, we have been placed under an enhanced risk for severe weather by the Storm Prediction Center. Now, this means we are under some threats for severe weather. We're going to be seeing strong wind gusts are likely as this system blows through. 45 to 50 miles per hour of wind gusts as the system blows through. Possible tornadic activity, heavy rainfall in portions of the area, and even possible hail as this system moves from west to east. Now, because of these strong winds, we have been placed under a wind advisory by National Weather Service that takes place tomorrow at 8 a.m. and will last until Wednesday at midnight. This wind advisory has been put in place because we're seeing those stronger wind gusts blowing from 50 to 55 mile per hour winds gusts as we move throughout the day tomorrow. Now, those strong winds will stay with us throughout the entire day, which is why we're seeing that wind advisory until midnight. Now, like I said, strong wind gusts 20 to 25 miles per hour normally as we move throughout the day. Eventually, that's going to warm up our temperatures as we move into tomorrow with a high of 71, with that risk of severe weather as we move into the evening. Now, looking forward, we're going to be seeing even more rainfall on Thursday, possible rain showers and a high of 60. So temperatures will begin to drop down as we move into Thursday and continue to drop as we finish off this work week with a high of 58 degrees, with once again more rainfall on Friday. And that rain's not going to stop on Friday. It's only going to continue as we move into the weekend, along with that drop in temperature with a high of 49 degrees on Saturday. So with all this rain moving through, that's going to cause our temperatures to drop down into the 40s to start our weekend. Possibility for some morning rain on Sunday with a high of 45 degrees. We'll see a slight bump in temperatures once that rain's moved out on Monday with a high of 53 degrees. But for the most part, we're going to be seeing very rainy conditions